Stop scrolling. If you're a guy over 30 and you've noticed things aren't working quite like they used to, whether it's energy, performance, or just feeling off, what you drink before bed could be sabotaging your circulation right now. And I'm not talking about alcohol. Stay with me, because this one drink could literally change everything by morning. Hey, I'm Dr. Mia Carter, a board-certified urologist, and on this channel, we talk about the health topics most guys are too embarrassed to ask their doctor about. Today, we're diving into something super practical, the best bedtime drink for men's circulation. And guys, this isn't some complicated health hack. It's simple, science-backed, and honestly, most of you already have this in your kitchen. But here's the thing. Stick around until the end because I'm going to share the exact timing and recipe that maximizes the benefits. Trust me, you don't want to miss that part. Point 1. Why circulation matters. Okay, let's be real for a second. When we talk about circulation, most guys immediately think about one thing. And yeah, blood flow down there is important. But here's what most people don't realize. Your circulation affects everything. We're talking energy levels, brain fog, workout recovery, heart health, even how well you sleep. You know that afternoon slump you get? Or when you wake up feeling tired even after 8 hours? A lot of times, that's actually your circulation struggling. Think of your blood vessels like highways. When traffic flows smoothly, everything works. But when there's congestion, whether it's from inflammation, poor diet, or stress, your whole system slows down. And here's the kicker, nighttime is actually when your body does its deepest repair work. So what you consume before bed can either support that healing process or completely hijack it. Have you ever noticed your hands or feet feeling cold at night? That's a circulation issue right there. Comment below if that's you. I want to know I'm not alone in this. Point 2. The worst bedtime drinks for circulation. Before I tell you what you should drink, let's talk about what you definitely shouldn't. Because, well, a lot of you are probably doing this right now. Number 1. Alcohol. I know. You've heard that red wine is good for your heart. And sure, there's some truth to that in moderation. But here's the thing. Alcohol before bed actually dehydrates you and disrupts your sleep cycles, which means your body can't repair itself properly. As a urologist, I see guys all the time who think a nightcap is harmless, but then they're dealing with poor circulation, low testosterone, and performance issues. It's all connected, guys. Number 2, sugary drinks or sodas, even diet ones. Sugar causes inflammation in your blood vessels, and artificial sweeteners mess with your gut health, which, stay with me here, directly impacts your circulation. Your gut and your blood vessels talk to each other more than you'd think. Number 3, too much caffeine. Look, I'm not saying you can't have coffee, but if you're drinking it late in the day, you're stressing out your cardiovascular system when it should be winding down. So what should you drink? All right, here's where it gets good. Point 3, the winner, Tart cherry juice. Okay, drum roll please. The best bedtime drink for men's circulation is Tart cherry juice. And before you roll your eyes thinking this sounds too simple, hear me out. The science behind this is actually incredible. Tart cherry juice is packed with something called anthocyanins. These are powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel function. Studies have found that drinking Tart cherry juice can lower blood pressure, reduce arterial stiffness, and improve overall cardiovascular health. We're talking measurable results here. But here's what makes it perfect for bedtime. Tart cherries are one of the few natural sources of melatonin, so not only are you supporting your circulation, but you're also helping your body fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. It's like a 2-for-1 deal. In my practice, I've seen guys who started drinking this before bed report better energy in the morning, improved recovery after workouts, and yeah, better performance overall. And I'm talking within just a few weeks. Now, here's the catch, and this is important. You need to get unsweetened Tart cherry juice, not cherry-flavored drinks, not cocktails, not the stuff loaded with added sugar. Pure, unsweetened Tart cherry juice. You can find it at most grocery stores or online. It's usually in the organic or health food section. The dose, about 8 ounces, roughly 30 to 60 minutes before bed. You can drink it straight, or if it's too tart for you, which, let's be honest, it can be, you can dilute it with some water or mix it with a splash of sparkling water. Personally, I like mine with a little ice. Point 4, bonus drink, beetroot juice. All right, bonus round. If Tart cherry juice isn't your thing, or you want to mix it up, let me tell you about beetroot juice. This stuff is like rocket fuel for your circulation. Beets are high in nitrates. Not the bad kind, the good kind, which your body converts into nitric oxide. And nitric oxide is basically the key that unlocks your blood vessels, allowing them to relax and expand. This means better blood flow to your muscles, your brain, and yes, everywhere else. Research shows that beetroot juice can lower blood pressure within hours and improve exercise performance. Some athletes actually drink this before workouts for that exact reason. But having it before bed works too, because it supports your body's overnight repair. Same rules apply. Get the pure stuff, not the sweetened versions. You can find organic beetroot juice at most health food stores. Fair warning though, it tastes earthy. Some people love it, some people don't. You can mix it with apple juice or carrot juice to make it more palatable. And guys, if you're really serious about circulation, you could even alternate. Tart cherry juice a few nights a week, beetroot juice on the others. Your blood vessels will thank you. Point 5. The complete bedtime circulation routine. Okay, so here's how to put this all together. Because drinking Tart cherry juice is great, but if you really want to maximize your circulation, let's talk about the full routine. Step 1. About an hour before bed, finish your last meal. You don't want to be digesting heavy food when you're trying to sleep, because that diverts blood flow away from repair and recovery. Step 2. 30 to 60 minutes before bed, drink your 8 ounces of Tart cherry juice or beetroot juice. Sip it slowly, don't chug it. Step 3. Avoid screens for at least 20 minutes before bed. I know, easier said than done, but blue light constricts your blood vessels and messes with your melatonin production. You're trying to help your body relax here. Step 4. Stay hydrated throughout the day. You can't fix circulation with one drink if you're chronically dehydrated. Aim for half your body weight in ounces of water daily. So if you weigh 180 pounds, that's 90 ounces of water. And here's the thing, consistency is everything. You're not going to drink this once and feel like a new person, but if you make this a nightly habit for 2 to 4 weeks, you'll start noticing real changes. Better sleep, more energy, improved stamina, it adds up. Have you tried Tart cherry juice before? Let me know in the comments if this is new to you or if you're already a fan. I love hearing from you guys. All right, so here's your takeaway. The best bedtime drink for men's circulation is Tart cherry juice. Unsweetened, 8 ounces, 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Simple, effective, science-backed. Your blood vessels, your energy, and honestly, your entire body will thank you. If you found this helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to True Wellness Network so you don't miss future videos. Next week, I'm covering the 5 daily habits that are secretly destroying your testosterone. You're definitely going to want to see that. And guys, remember, small changes lead to big results. You've got this. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.